Hi, I'm Bharti Singh Raghav, student of JD Institute of Fashion Technology, and I'm pursuing my master's in interior designing. Well, we all are working on a sound installation, and our sub-theme is pulp.
So initially we were really excited to be a part of such a big event, and our minds were exploding with ideas, so much so that we couldn't decide what to choose, because some ideas were really brilliant but yet not executable, and some ideas were just not that good. So we thought to ourselves that let's just take a pause, just take a breath and think about the direction we are going in. And that's how this concept came to us.
Drawing inspiration from that, we decided why not take up Pema Chodron's the principle of pause and listen, and tell people to just take a moment from their busy lives and just listen to the things that they're hearing. Pema Chodron says that pause and listen is a simple technique where you can break your cycle of life, of habitual patterns, and absorb the beauty and realize what beauty lies around us.
In the initial stages, we were facing a lot of difficulties in executing our concept, but our mentor and our faculty members, they helped us throughout the journey, and they have been the pillars of strength for us.
We were so excited to meet Mr. Manjeet Buller and to be able to present our idea to him. He had such a great inputs to give us in terms of design applications, and also helped us in bringing everything together. And now we can proudly say that we are a part of his core team.
So I would like to thank my college to let us showcase our skills and talents through our installation on the Fashion Awards in front of such illustrious and big personalities from the industry, both national and international. I would like to see you on 14th and 15th of June at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, and I hope you are all excited as I am.